Now I get asked a lot about bucket list items. You know, I tell everybody the number one thing on my list is a cannon. Now, I'm probably never going to find a cannon. But my number two thing, and some of you guys that know me would know this, and it's not really a super rare thing, but maybe it is, I don't know, because I've never seen one in anybody's collection. Out of all the collections I've seen, Civil War collections, I've never seen one of these. And I just found one. Sorry for the snot. We're going to go under and take a look at it. And I want you to guess what it is. I bet you not 1 in 1,000 will know exactly what it is. At least that's what I'm hoping it is. I'm pretty sure. Alright, you guys ready? This is freaking awesome. Get ready. Hold your breath. Now a lot of you guys see an anchor, and that's exactly what it is. It's an anchor, but it's not a boat anchor like you think. That's actually the anchor for a pontoon bridge, a Civil War pontoon bridge. I've only ever seen them in pictures. I've never seen one in real life, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And you know what? I don't know anyone else that has one in their collection, nor have I seen one in a museum, although I'm sure there's some out there. And that for me is about as cool as it gets. By the way, this is my bow face. Not O face, but bow face. So there it is. That's my anchor. My pontoon bridge anchor. This is an awesome, awesome find. And it took me like a month to get this thing out of the river because the river came up right after I found it and flooded and I couldn't find it. I finally found it and drug it back home, and it's been sitting in the shed now for about a month drying out. But isn't that really, really cool? And pick off a little bit of these bumps that are sticking out, the rust. I'm not going to do too much more on it though, because you can see where the rust is coming off here and it's leaving big chunks. But it's kind of interesting though, because you can see the striations in the iron. That means it's hand forged iron. It's not cast iron. But isn't that neat looking? Look, see the lines going around. That's a beautiful piece right there.